Tell her walk, blood. Who killing them in the UK? Everybody gonna say UK.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay and over here we do beauty related videos. And as you can see by the title, we're here to talk about this hair. So Alipearl sent me this bob wig. It's another version of the wear and go wig, and I'm here to install it and customize it for you guys. So this one did not come pre-plucked or bleach knots or anything like that, but then to be honest I prefer it that way because that gave me the opportunity to customize it to my taste. So yeah, that is what I did. I bleached the knots and I plucked it a little bit. I only plucked it a little and the hairline is pretty perfect. I'm very happy with it. It's very sleek, very cute, it's gorgeous. It's like the perfect length, and this is just 10 inches. It was a little bit longer in the front here, it kind of tapered down, but I just gave it a little bit of it. And it is perfect right now. I love it. It's a bit more blunt, and probably in the future I will chop it a bit more, but for now I am very happy with it. But yeah, if you want to see how I install this wig, keep on watching.
I love me a wear and go wig because there's really not much to it. Just put a bit of foundation on the lace and put it on and go. So as you can see, I'm putting foundation on the lace. I did over bleach the knots a little bit. I'm going to be fixing that. So if you want to see how I fix that, keep watching. Did you see how easy that went on? Oh, a wear and go wig is just everything. I did have a little bit of flyaways, so I'm just brushing everything down. And now I'm about to fix the lace. So I'm just using some Roots touch-up spray in black and my rat tail comb, and everything else is self-explanatory. It's easier to just watch and, you know, replicate than trying to explain everything that I'm doing. So now I'm just going to use a bit of mousse, tinted mousse, to just make that lace melt into my skin, to like just make it my skin tone. And yeah, it's like a 2-in-1. And now I have these long parts that I don't really like, so I'm cutting it so it's a bit more suited to my taste. I did like the shape. I love the bob and everything, and it was damn near perfect, but I wanted it to be a bit more blunt cut than tapered, so I'm just trimming the taper away, and yeah, much better.
So here we are, this is the end of the video, and I love this hair. That was very quick and easy to install. I have been playing with it all day. Like, I took some time off, went around, I had some fun, and I'm here to do the outro. But yeah, I love this hair. It's gorgeous. I love me a bob, and I haven't had a center part bob in a long time. And me and all these 5x5 wear and go wig, we are locked in. Like, right now I love me a wear and go wig. Like, I just love a closure because it's so much easier to install and style and everything than a frontal. As much as I used to love frontals, closures are far more convenient. But yeah, that is it for today. So if you like this video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Please be sure to leave me a comment. If you can, subscribe, and I'd love to see you in the next one.